Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a mini haul video for you guys this morning. And this is mostly a Tuesday morning haul, but it's actually a mix of a few things that I picked up from a few different places. So I have had these items from Tuesday morning for about a week or so now. But I'm just getting around to sharing these items with you guys. So I went to Tuesday morning a week or so ago, and I noticed that they had a whole rack of flower embellishments by Little Birdy. And these are Little Birdy handmade flowers. Really pretty handmade flowers. You get an assortment of different sizes, and also little butterflies there, and these are only $2.99. So those are really good price. So I got this bundle that has the pinks and the purples, and I also got the off-white because, as y'all know, I've been mentioning making mini albums, and I am gathering everything that I need for a wedding mini album for one of my coworkers who will be getting married in about a month. And in another week or so, we're going to be doing a bridal shower for her. So I want to have a mini album together for her. And they also have the flowers that came in a box. And these are so pretty. They are off-white, but they have sprinkles of gold glitter all over them. And same company. These right here are a little larger, a little more dimensional, and they were $3.99, and that's really good for the handmade flowers. I did say that I was going to sit down one day and use my flower dies to see if I could make some really pretty dimensional flowers, but yeah. These are really pretty, and I think they'll go great for my mini album. I also got the box set of the pinks and the purples. They are also sprinkled with the gold glitter. Just really pretty flowers. So I did get the flower packs. And I also got these chipboard letter packs. I got a gold one, and I got the glitter silver one. And I thought it would be neat to spell out Mr. and Mrs. or actually just add the couple's initials or something like that. So I picked these up, and these will go great with, you know, any mini album or scrapbooking layouts, or whatever you want to use them for. I also found these K & Company Adhesive Gems, and back in the day I used to love K & Company. I still have a lot of old 12 by 12 K & Company papers that I just been sitting on that I haven't used in a long time, and I really need to decide what to do with them or get rid of them. But these are really pretty gem adhesives, and I thought when I saw these, I thought that they would be perfect for a wedding album as well. So I did pick those up. I picked up these Maggie Holmes stickers. It's 113 stickers. It's gold foiling. And they have hashtags. So happy, love, happy, celebrate today, live each day with your whole heart. It has the months if you want to do your calendars. It has days of the weeks. It says remember today, you and me, follow your heart, hashtag good times, hello. I love these little stickers. They go good for whatever project that you want to use them for. And there was only $1.49. So I did pick those up as well. I also found these little tags, and these are just little tags that are pre-stamped with gold foiling and silver foiling, little polka dots. And these are by Miss Sparkle and Company, and I thought these were really cute little tags. And you can change them up if you want to, layer them up, you can do whatever you want. But I found those and I thought these would be great too, because these could actually be used on albums and scrapbook layouts or whatever, or just as gift tags. And I also found these little favor bags, and they also have the gold foil polka dots on them. And I just thought these were so cute. For $1.49, you can use these for whatever projects that you're working on, or just giving treats or gifts. I had something in mind that I wanted to use these for, and it was a swap idea that I saw. I really wanted to participate in this swap, but I was actually too late. I saw the announcement for the swap too late. It filled up really quickly. But yeah, so I got those on hand. I also found this die, and this is a Spellbinders die. It's a pretty large die, and this is the Miss You swirl die. So you could actually spell out I miss you or I love you. And this is how the die cuts. I just thought this was a really great price, considering these dies are usually way more expensive than $6. And it was just a really good find, and this would look really good on the front of a mini album. And I know y'all probably getting really tired of hearing me say mini album, but that's what I've been mainly working on lately. And I've been really enjoying making those. I'm still learning how to put mini albums together, but when I get really comfortable with doing the mini albums, I think I want to share the process with you guys. I know there's plenty of people on YouTube who do mini albums, but I felt like if I'm going to be making an album and I like to share my creations with you guys, I felt like I would like to film that process. Anyway, so I also picked up this 6x6 paper pad, and this is My Mind's Eye, and this one is Yes Please. And this paper is full of foiling. It has the off-white and gold, the black and off-white, double-sided. Got the hearts, and this is perfect for a wedding or even birthdays. I just love the off-white and black and the gold. I think those colors go together so pretty. I love this paper right here. It's so pretty. And the X's and O's. So Yes Please is perfect for a wedding mini. And these go perfectly with this. So, and then last but not least, I also picked up from Tuesday Morning this DCWV, the silver lining stack, and this is a 12x12 paper pack, and it is packed full of designer pages with grays, whites, silvers. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's silver foiling on these papers. really pretty. And also this is just perfect for weddings and anniversaries and love and all that good stuff. Just really pretty. I love anything with metallics and foiling. It just seems to make every creation pop a little bit more, to have a little sparkle or shine. Okay, I also picked up these EK Tools journaling pens. And as y'all know, I'm going to be starting school near the end of August for this fall season. And I thought these journaling pens would be awesome. I do have plans to start a study journal, and these would be perfect. And these were only $3.99 at Tuesday Morning. You get 5 journaling pens, and the size of the tips are all a little bit different. But yeah, I picked those up as well. And this came from Dollar Tree, and it is a favor boxes. You get it in the wedding and party section at Dollar Tree, and I thought these would be great to add a special touch to and give as little treat boxes on birthdays or, you know, whatever. So you fold the box together. So what I'm going to do is embellish these little favor boxes, and I'll probably use them to fill up with candy for birthdays and things like that. But yeah, so I grabbed those for $1 at Dollar Tree. Also, I ordered a few items from Amazon because I have been running through my double-sided tape making these mini albums. So I did pick up another pack of the 1/2-inch double-sided tape rolls. You get a pretty good amount of tape here. And these are just from Amazon, and I think maybe $9 for this pack of 3 rolls. You get quite a bit of double-sided adhesive. So I picked those up. I also picked up these cuts of the DuPont Tyvek sheets. And I picked these up because after watching several videos on mini album making, I noticed that a lot of people use the Tyvek sheets to reinforce the stability of their albums. This is the stuff that a lot of envelopes, those mailing envelopes are made of. They don't tear. They're waterproof. You can't just tear this paper. And a lot of people use this to back their mini albums for extra stability, and I think that's a great idea, especially when you're giving the mini albums for gifts. You want those gifts to hold up and to last for a long time. And some people even sell their mini albums on Etsy, and I just think it's really important to try to make your mini albums to where they will last the recipient for as long as possible, especially when it has to do with their valuable, treasured memories and photos. So I did get this because I do plan on reinforcing my little mini albums, my bindings with the Tyvek. So I did order that. And then last but not least, I had to order another pack of the medium weight chipboard. And these are the 8.5 by 11. And this is by Graphics. And you can get this on Amazon as well. And that is it for this haul today. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the link below to subscribe. Feel free to leave comments, and thank you again for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.